Good evening, ma'am. I'm Kavya from Vidya Bhavan Public School, and this is my project Modern Drainage System. So, as we all know, in the monsoon, our roads got clogged with water. That is due to the accumulation of garbage inside the drainage pipe. And to tackle that situation, we have come up with a very good solution. That is, we will put the sensors inside the drainage pipe that will detect the presence of the garbage up till when the garbage crosses a line of control, or we can say a specific threshold. And additionally, a pothole detection module has also been set it up with this waterproof with this water level sensor. This water level sensor will detect the depth of the pothole that will already alert the drivers not to drive from that particular path. So this project has multiple objectives. First, it will detect the presence of garbage when it crosses a particular line of control, and it will send wireless data to the municipal corporation so that it can take timely action and it can prevent deadly accidents. So here I will explain you this. So basically, this is a prototype of a real life chamber, and this line, the water coming from this pipe is from the houses and water coming from this pipe from the road, and this is a pipe which is connecting to a different chamber like this only, and from this pipe the water is draining, and I have drawn two lines here. So the bottom one, the second one, this line is the line of control. So when the garbage will cross this line, the ultrasonic sensor will sense it and will send the information to the Arduino UNO, and Arduino UNO will send the information to the module. This is NRF24L01 module. This is a wireless module. This module will send the information to another module. This was the transmitter circuit, and this is the receiver circuit. This is all wireless, and this module will send the information to this Arduino UNO. This is also a microcontroller, and this Arduino UNO will notify this PC. So this is a very affordable, impactful, and something which is required in today's era. So this will prevent accidents. This will help people to know from where they should go, as it will detect the presence. As it will detect the dangerous path. It will already notify the people, and in the future, it can be connected with Google Maps or via SMS, and people would also get to know that what is happening in their surroundings, and will get to know what the municipality is doing. The corporation, the system will get the pressure to clean the pipes and to work the system. Thank you.